In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and edit custom HTML email template on Mailchimp. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to bring a custom-coded email into Mailchimp, preview it, make clean edits, and save it as a reusable template. We'll keep things straightforward and focused on best practices so your design looks great in as many inboxes as possible. First, open Mailchimp in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, head to the main navigation and choose Campaigns. This is where Mailchimp centralizes most of your email building tools, and it's the quickest way to get to your template library. Inside Campaigns, look for Email Templates. This section stores every template you've built or imported so you can keep designs organized and ready for future campaigns. It's helpful to keep a clear naming convention in mind, because once you start building a few versions, tidy names and dates will save you time. Next, select the Code Your Own dropdown. This is Mailchimp's doorway to working with custom code, and it's perfect when you already have a finished HTML file or you've received one from a designer or developer. From that dropdown, choose Import HTML. This option lets you upload the HTML file directly so Mailchimp can render a live preview and give you access to its code editor. Click Add File, then browse your computer to locate your HTML file. If your email design references images, make sure those image URLs are absolute and publicly accessible, such as from your website or a CDN. Relative paths to local files won't display in inboxes. Also keep in mind that many email clients have limited CSS support, so if your template was built with inline styles, that's a plus. Once you've selected the correct file, confirm your choice and proceed. Click Continue to start the import. Mailchimp will process the file and open the editor. Here, the layout is split into two panes. On the left, you'll see a live visual preview of your imported email. On the right, you'll find the full HTML code. This side-by-side view is great because every change you make in the code updates the preview, helping you spot layout issues, broken images, or styling conflicts right away. Now, move through the code on the right and start editing. Replace placeholder text with your real content, update links with full URLs, and double-check image sources. If your design uses merge tags, such as for personalization or unsubscribe links, verify they use the correct Mailchimp syntax. Add descriptive alt text for images to help with accessibility and to ensure your message still makes sense if images are blocked. Keep an eye on your table structure, since many email clients render tables more reliably than complex div-based layouts. If you adjust colors or fonts, confirm that your styles are inline or otherwise supported by common inboxes. As you go, glance at the preview on the left to make sure spacing, buttons, and headers look the way you expect. When everything looks right, click Save. Mailchimp will store this as a template you can reuse anytime you create a new email. Saving frequently is a good habit while you're working, especially if you're making larger edits or experimenting with layout tweaks. After saving, your template will appear in your email templates list, ready to be selected the next time you build a campaign. And that's it. You've successfully imported your custom HTML into Mailchimp, reviewed the live preview, made your edits directly in the code, and saved your work as a reusable template. With this workflow, you can keep your brand's exact look and feel while still taking advantage of Mailchimp's sending and analytics features.